Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in this video you are going to learn how to send certificates of your online psychology course to students on their WhatsApp, right? So let's see what is happening here. So you have received a form submission in a form that is created by 𝗵𝗆𝗆 from students who have completed your online psychology courses. So you have received the contact details and informations of your students in this form. So according to the data of your students, you are going to create certificates, completion certificates for them, and to do that you are using Google Slides. So after creating those certificates, you want to share them with your students, and to do that you are using WhatsApp. So you are going to deliver the certificates on the WhatsApp account of the students, right? So let's suppose that you have created an online psychology course and you have many students enrolled for that course. So when all the students completed their course, you want to share with them the completion certificate of your online psychology course, right? So to collect the information and data and the contact details of your student, you have created a form with the help of 𝗵𝗆𝗆. So as we have used 𝗵𝗆𝗆 application here, which is an online form building application, you can use Jot form, Google form, or any other online form builder. And after collecting the information of your students, you are creating certificates for them, and to create a certificate you are using Google Slides, which is an online word processor in which you can create presentations and templates just as our certificate. And guys, to deliver those certificates we are using WhatsApp, and as you guys already know, it is a very widely used instant messaging applications. Alright, now this manual process of collecting the data of your student from 𝗵𝗆𝗆 submission, then manually creating the certificates for each and every student from Google Slides, and then manually compiling the message for each and every student in which you paste the link of the certificate that you have generated is very repetitive and tiresome process. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when you receive a form submission here in a form that is created by 𝗵𝗆𝗆, a certificate got automatically generated in this Google slide, and the same certificate get automatically delivered to the WhatsApp account of your student. Yes guys, this can happen, and this can be done by connecting your 𝗵𝗆𝗆 with Google Slides and WhatsApp. But the issue is there is no direct connection or integration present between these three applications. So to connect these applications, I am using a software called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and the best part of it is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge to make this connection between all these applications. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection between 𝗵𝗆𝗆, Google Slides and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. So guys, this is the form I have created to collect the data of the students who have completed the course on social psychology from my institute, which is this 𝗵𝗆𝘆 Psychology Institute. Alright, as you can see, it is written here. So social psychology certification. Because you have completed this course, please fill the form to get training completion certificate. So as and when our student who have completed the course provides his detail here in a certificate, we will send the certificate to him or her on his WhatsApp account right here. Alright, so let me show you that I'm going to fill this form here in front of you, and we will see if this WhatsApp account receives the certificate or not. So here I am going to fill this form. The name is 𝗏𝗍. The age is 22. This is the mobile number. This is the email address, and I'm clicking on submit here. So you can see submission is successful, and it is saying check your WhatsApp for certificate. So we will see. So we have received a new message here. Let us check it. So this message is this. It is saying, hello 𝗏𝗍, congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the introduction of social psychology. Please find the attached PDF containing your certificate. So this is a message, and here is the PDF. Alright, so let me show you the PDF also. So this is the certificate generated automatically and sent to the WhatsApp account of 𝗏𝗍, right? So this is how it is going to work in real time. So now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here without any manual compilation of the message or without any compilation of the certificate also, just by filling a form here that we have created with the help of paper form. So now let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation and connect your paper form to WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 5 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between your paper form and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect paper form to Pabbly Connect with the help of a webhook URL. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our form which is created by paper form to Pabbly Connect. Step 2 is collect the data from paper form in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll bring the data from paper form by making another form submission to here in Pabbly Connect. And step 3 is send the same data to Google Slides for creating a certificate from template. So in the third step, we are going to create a certificate according to the data we have received in Pabbly Connect with the help of Google Slides. And step 4 is save the certificate in Google Drive. So in this step, we are going to save the certificate here and generate a link of the certificate. Step 5 is send the certificate on WhatsApp via 360 Dialog. So finally, we are going to send the certificate on the WhatsApp account of the student. And to do this, we are going to use another application which is 360 Dialog. So I'll tell you what 360 Dialog is later on in this video. First of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So in your internet browser, type here Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. So this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, put your cursor on this products icon and click on connect. Alright, now from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. And I have already done this, so I am clicking on sign in directly. So after signing in, the all apps section of Pabbly will open up, and from here you have to come to this connect panel and click on access now. Alright, so this will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard. Here you have to create workflows like these to start working. So to create a workflow, you have to click here on create workflow button like this. And here you have to enter a name to a workflow. So you can give the name according to you. I'm giving it a psychology course certificate from paper form to WhatsApp. Now click on create here. So when a workflow get created, you will see these two things first, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect do this. Alright, as in our use case, the trigger would be a new submission in our paper form, and the action would be send psychology course certificates to WhatsApp accounts. Alright, so first of all, click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app, you have to choose your application as paper form. After this, select this trigger event as new form submission, and it will generate this URL. So this is called as a webhook URL, and by using this URL, we are going to connect the paper form account with Pabbly Connect. So you just have to copy this URL from here and go to your paper form dashboard. This is my paper forms dashboard, and here I have all these forms created for different purposes, and this is our form for psychology students. So here you have to click on this edit option, and from this page you have to click here on after submissions and click on success pages and redirects. Alright, so from here you will find this integrations and webhooks option. Click on it and scroll down here, and here you will find this webhooks option. Click on it, and here you can add a new webhook. So you have to paste the link that you have copied from Pabbly Connect here like this. You have to paste it here in this field. So paste it like this and then click on add webhook. Alright, so the webhook is created here. Now you will see in Pabbly Connect it is showing waiting for the webhook's response. Alright, That means it is time to bring the data from our form to here in Pabbly Connect. So let me fill this form again. So I'm going to open this form again. Let me go to dashboard. Oh, sorry, I'm clicking on this share option, and you will find this URL which you can share with your students. So I'm copying this URL and I'm opening the form here. Right, now let us fill it again. So now I'm filling in the name Rashid Khan, the age, the mobile number, the email, and I'm clicking on submit here. And it is saying check your WhatsApp for certificate, but let's see first in Pabbly Connect if the data is captured. Yeah, the data is captured here. You can see the name Rashid and all the details regarding the form like this. All right. So now before going to our next step, what we have to do is click on this plus icon, and we are going to apply another function by Pabbly which is called date time formatter. So find date time formatter here. This is it. So why we are applying this? Because we want date to put on the certificate. All right. So we are going to get the current date. So in this action event, select this current date option and click on connect. And now it is asking for in which format you want the dates. So you can select the format according to you. So I want this format, and it is asking for if you want time also. So we do not want time, so I'm keeping it false here and clicking on save and send test request. So you see it has given us the current date which we are going to use when we create the certificate. All right, now it is time for our next step. So our next step is send the same data to Google Slides for creating a certificate from template. All right, so the data we have collected from paper form, we are going to use that data to create a certificate, and to create a certificate we are using Google Slides here. So let's do it. So now in a Pabbly Connect, click on this action window, and from the choose app, choose your application as Google Slides. So here it is. So in this action event, you have to select this option, create presentation from template. Select this, then click on connect here. And from this window, select add new connection and click on connect with Google Slides. So from this window, it will ask for the email ID by which your slide application is connected. So select that email ID from here. Then it will ask for a few accesses, which is completely safe. Click on continue. All right, so you can see the authorization is successful here, and it will start showing connected. So you can see it starts showing connected here, and in this field it is asking for the template presentation. So it is asking which template you want to use to create the certificate. So let me show you the template. So here we have this template, and the name of this template is Psychology Courses Certificate. All right. So in Pabbly Connect, when you click here on template presentation field, you will find a list. So this is the list of all the templates and presentations I have in my Google Slides application. So let me show you this also. This is my Google Slides, and here I have all these all these certificates or templates created for various purposes. So from this Pabbly Connect, from this field, you will find your certificate from this drop down menu. So search for psychology here. This is it, psychology course certificate. So this is our template that we are using. So select that. After this, it is asking for the title of new presentation. So you can generate the certificate in the name of your student. So to find the name of your student, you have to click here, and you will find these two options, paper form and date time formatter. So when you click on paper form option, you will find the data of your student that has been captured here in the first step like this. So click here on this paper form option and just map the name of your student from here only. Also, to make this name unique, the title of presentation unique, to send the correct certificate to correct students, because sometimes the name of two students can be the same. So to generate a unique name, you can also map one more thing here, which is this submission ID. So this is a submission ID which is generated every time a new form gets submitted. So this is a unique number, so map it also. After this, it is asking for new presentations location. So it is actually asking for the folder in which folder of your Google Drive in which you want to save this certificate. So let me show you my drive. So this is my Google Drive, and here I have this folder, 𝗵𝗆 Institute of Psychology, right? So in this folder, I'm going to save this certificate. So I'm going to select this folder from here only. So I'm typing 𝗵𝗆. This is it. So I'm selecting the folder. Now it is asking for these things: name, date, and certificate number. So why it is asking these things? Because let me show you the template. So here in the template, you can see we have this name in double curly braces, this date in double curly braces, and the certificate number. So why we have put these braces around these things? Because these are the variable things of our certificate. With every new certificate, the name of student is going to change. The date can also change on which the certificate is going to be generated, and the certificate number is going to change. All right. So to get these things filled dynamically when you create every new certificate, you have to map these three things here in Pabbly Connect in these fields. All right. So in the name field, you can map the name from the same place. Paper form. This is the name. In the date, you will find the date from this date time formatter option, by which we have collected the date here in last tab like this. So click on date time formatter, map the date. And to create a certificate number, you can use the submission ID which is created in this form submission of paper form. This is it. So you can first you can enter a name like this. You can enter like this, PSY, which is a code for psychology, underscore, and then map this number. So we have generated a certificate number also. Now when I click here on save and send test request, a new certificate got created and saved in our Google Drive. So I'm clicking here. So you can see it starts showing this response, and it is showing a presentation ID. That means a new presentation is created here. So let us see in the drive. So I'm opening my drive, and you can see a new certificate with the name of Rashid Khan is generated here. So let me open this, and you can see the certificate, and it is in the place of name is Rashid Khan, and the date and this certificate number that we have mapped. All right. So this is how we can create the certificate. Now it is time for our next step. Let me show this. So the next step is save the certificate in Google Drive. So now we are going to save here the certificate in this Google Drive, and we'll generate a shareable link of the certificate to share it with our students. All right, let's do this. So now in Pabbly Connect, click on this plus icon, and another action window will open up. And from this window, select this Google Drive. And in the action event, make it share a file with anyone. Select this option. All right. So we are making this file shareable. So click on connect here. And from here, select this add new connection. Then click on connect with Google Drive. And from this window, select the email ID by which the drive is connected. Then you have to give the required access, which is completely safe. Click on continue. Alright, so authorization is successful here, and start showing connected. Now it is asking for the file ID. So in this field, you have to map this ID that is being generated in this previous tab, this presentation ID. So to map this, first of all, you have to toggle this map button to on, then erase this field, and then click on this Google Slides option and map this presentation ID from here. Alright. Now, when you click here on save and send test request, it will show you the response, which is this. All right, so it is saying drives permission to anyone with the link. And here you can see it has created all these links. So these are the shareable links, and we are going to use this PDF link to send to our students. All right. So now it is time for our final step. So let me show you the final step. So the final step is send the certificate on WhatsApp via 360 Dialog. So now we are going to send the certificate that has been generated on the WhatsApp account of our student, and to do this we are using 360 Dialog. So now I'll tell you what 360 Dialog is and how we are going to use it. So click on this plus icon here, and from this choose app, choose the application as 360, this WhatsApp by 360 Dialog. And in this action event select send template messages. So now you guys are wondering why we are using this 360 Dialog application. This is because to send messages on WhatsApp, you must have the access to WhatsApp's chat API. So 360 Dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's chat API. So by using that application, you can send messages on WhatsApp very easily, right? So now you have to click on connect here. And from this window, if you are making the connection with 360 Dialog for the first time by Pabbly Connect, you have to select this add new connection. And then it will ask for these two things, the API key and the domain name. So from where you will find these things, you have to go to your 360 Dialog account and move to WhatsApp account page and then generate a API key. Alright, so let me show you my 360 Dialog account. So guys, this is our 360 Dialog account. You can also set up your own 360 Dialog account, and I'll suggest you to do that. You can use the link that we have pasted in the description box. So by using that link, you can also avail affordable prices to use this 360 Dialog application. Now from here, I'm going to click here on WhatsApp accounts. And from this page, you will see we have this button which is generate API key. So by clicking here, you can generate the key. Then after that, copy that key and paste it here in this API key field like this. And in the domain name, while you generate the API key, you will get a domain name which will look like this. So generally the domain name will be same as this only. So you can paste the domain here. After pasting these two things, you have to click on save and you will be connected with Pabbly Connect. So this is a one-time job. You have to generate the API key once and you can use the same key to make the connections afterwards. Alright. So, and when you once made the connection with Pabbly Connect, you can use this choose existing connection also. So I have made the connection before. So I am choosing this option and clicking on save. So you can see it is showing connected. That means we are connected with 360 Dialog. Now it is asking for the template. So what is this template? Let me show you in my 360 Dialog account. I am clicking here on manage templates button. So guys, these are the templates we have in 360 Dialog. So what are these? Let me open one for you. So templates are nothing but the messages that we want to send on WhatsApp. Alright. So to send messages on WhatsApp, first you have to create templates here in 360 Dialog. So this is a process to avoid spamming on WhatsApp. So you can create your own template by clicking here on add template button. And in the name field, you can enter the name of your template. In the category, you can select the categories that are available for the templates. In the language, you can select the language. And in the body field, you can also select the template type, which is these two. The standard, text only, or media and interactive. Then here in this body field, you can type the message that you want to send. After this, just click here on preview and submit. So your template will get submitted. So after submitting your template, WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook, will review your template and get your template approved. Alright, so the standard time of approving the template is 30 minutes to 48 hours, but generally it takes 45 minutes to 1 hour to get your template approved. So after getting your templates approved, you can use them to send messages on WhatsApp directly. Alright, so in Pabbly Connect, it is asking for which template I want to use. So from this list, I am going to use this certificate link template. So after selecting the template, this namespace field get automatically filled and the language code also, because we have written the templates in only one language, that is English. So EN is the code for English language. Then it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. So here you have to map the number of your student. So you will find the number of your student from the paper form submissions response. So click here and you will find the number here. This is the number. Also you have to put the number in this format. So you have to write plus sign before this number. So place a plus sign here, and in this header document URL you have to map the PDF link of the certificate which you are going to send to your student. So you will find the link from here in this Google Drive where we have generated this link. So click here in this header document and click on Google Drive and map the link from here only, like this. Then it is asking for header documents file name. So you have to map the name of the certificate that has generated. So you will find the name from this Google Drive option, and you will see the name here. This is the name of the file. So map this name. After this, it is asking for these body fields, the body field 1, 2, 3. So what are these things? So let me show you the template we have in 360 Dialog. So the template we are using is this certificate link template. So let me find the template. So this is the template we have, certificate link. I'm opening it. And here you can see we have in this message, hello, this 1 in double curly braces, 2, and this 3. So what are these? Are actually the body fields in this message. And these are the variable things that we have to change with every new message. Because after hello, we are going to put the name of the student, which is going to change. And after successfully completed, we are going to write here the name of the course. So if you have many courses, this also can change. And after best regards, you can put the name of your organization. All right. So to get these things change automatically with a new message, you have to map the values of these body fields here in Pabbly Connect. So let's map the things. So first field is the field in which we are going to put the name. So we'll find the name of the student here, which is this. And in the body field 2, let's see the body field. All right. So here we are going to put the name of the course that the student has completed. So let's see if we have the information of the course. So we do not have the information of course here, so you can manually put it. So let's see which course our student has done. So this is the name of the course, Introduction of Social Psychology. So just copy it from here, put it here in this field manually. And in this body field 3, we are going to put the name of our institute, which is the name of the institute is AIM Institute of Psychology. All right. So after mapping all these things, when I click here on save and send test request, this data according to our template, it is going to be delivered on the WhatsApp account. So let me click here. So you can see it starts showing this type of response. All right. And we also have received a new message in the WhatsApp. You can see. So let me open the message here. And the message is this. It is saying, hello, Rashid Khan, congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the introduction of social psychology. So these are the things we have put in this Pabbly Connect here, like this. All right. So our connection is working fine. All right. So let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger option, we connected our paper form with the help of this webhook URL and then collected the response like this. Then in second step, we connected the datetime formatter to get the current date to put on the certificate. Then we connected our Google slide to create the certificate from a template. We selected the template and mapped the values like this. Then it created a certificate with this presentation ID. Then we connected Google Drive and mapped this presentation ID to create these links for sharing with our students. After this, we connected the 360 Dialog account to send messages on WhatsApp, select our template, map the values of all the things that are required, and when I click here on save and send test request, the message is delivered. Now you just have to click on save here. Now let me tell you one more important thing, which is that you can use this workflow or make this workflow run 100 times in a month with the help of Pabbly Connect's free account. Because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks for every month. So if 100 tasks are sufficient for you, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using that. So guys, this is it for today. And as you see, we have connected a few applications in this video by using this Pabbly Connect software. You can also connect many different applications by using this Pabbly Connect software. And if you want any other type of integrations from our side, you can contact us from this email ID, and you can ask your queries from this link in this forum, and you can check the pricing of this software by this link. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and keep automating your business with the help of Pabbly Connect. Thank you so much.